I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and I am a chip and dip enthusiast. My slow cooker queso dip is the real deal, which means there's absolutely zero processed cheese involved. We're working with just the good stuff today: some sharp cheddar cheese, cream cheese, chunky salsa, and some ground beef. To start off, I'm gonna be adding the ground beef to a saute pan over medium-high heat. And if you don't wanna use ground beef, you could also use chorizo for a little bit of a spicier kick. And then using a spatula, I'm just gonna break this apart and continue cooking it until it's totally browned. I've drained off a little bit of the grease from the ground beef, and now that it's cooked through, I'm gonna transfer it to our slow cooker. And then we'll add the last of our ingredients. I've got the chunky salsa, some cubed sharp cheddar cheese, and then some cream cheese. And the cream cheese lends a ton of creaminess to this and then a little bit of a tangy flavor. So all of this goes in, and then I'm gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna set our slow cooker to low for about 1.5 hours, or just until that cheese is melted. The cheese is looking nice and melted. Time to give this a stir. It's creamy. All that cream cheese and sharp cheddar cheese has melted together with the salsa and the ground beef. And here's the real benefit to having this in the slow cooker. Now it'll stay warm for hours upon hours at your party, or if you just want to be snacking on it at home, because nobody wants cold queso. So what I'm gonna do is give this a nice stir. And then the easiest way to get this into your serving dish, if you aren't serving it straight from the slow cooker, is to just use a ladle. And I've got some nice crispy tortilla chips. And you can see the consistency of this. Adding the ground beef or the chorizo really thickens the mixture, so it's a super hearty dip. Looking good. And now here's the optional topping. I've sliced some jalapenos thinly, so you can just add these on top for a little pop of color, or if you don't want it to be too spicy, feel free to leave them off. And now all that's left to do is grab a chip and start dipping.